The Rivers State House of Assembly don't receive and hand over one civil suit petition to a 5-man ad hoc committee where the indigenous of ALETO community bring before them. Currently, ALETO community they battle with crude oil spill from one of the facilities where belong to Shell Petroleum Development Company for the area. The lawmaker representing Eleme constituency Igwe Afoji, where read the petition, contact said the community want make the oil giant find solution sharply to contain the oil spill. The community member can also call on the House to summon the Shell Petroleum Development Company to come explain wetin cause the oil spill and to also send relief materials to ALETO community. The ad hoc committee they expect to look into the petition and come back and give report within 3 weeks after they visit the site.
The second committee will look at this petition. You know the weight of this matter. It's a matter that has to do with oil spillage that affects the lives of our people, the actions of these multinational corporations within our environment. It's important that we look at the matters purely on the merits. We expect that the needful will be done. I have no doubt in my mind that this committee will do it. We expect the best. We expect that Shell will be invited. We will have to explain to Rivers people what has happened and what is happening. We need to know what the action plan is whenever spillage is involved, so that we will take actions and ensure that we forestall further spillages in the future. We expect that this committee will do the needful and give us their reports.
This is a state assembly that understands that we are being voted in for the people and to stand by the people. The law gives us the permission to get anybody arrested if you are invited and you don't come for the invitation of the House. It's a House resolution. And like I said to you, this is just the beginning of the fight to come. If Shell does not come to terms with the community, there are places to go to. There is still National Assembly, there is still court. We will not take violence to our hand, but we will judicially follow it to the last. Be rest assured that this will not be that kind of committee. I trust the Deputy Speaker that is heading the committee. I trust members of the committee. I trust the Speaker of Rivers House of Assembly that they will do the needful for my people to have their justice back to them and feel the impact that they are part of Rivers State and part of Nigeria.
From Rivers State, A. Carter, Ojesele, TMC TV News.